Hey guys, hope everybody's doing great this Friday morning. I just want to take and share one of my favorite leftover breakfasts to make. I anytime that we go out and get either chicken or chicken tenders, we always get some rolls and some gravy. Usually around here the gravy's okay. If not, you can add some black pepper to it and some stuff to make it a little better. But in the morning with the leftovers, I like to take the rolls, break them up, and then take in some of the chicken and then cover it with the gravy. And I always like to cook some eggs, and I try to get some of the cracklings and stuff off of the chicken and then some of the little pieces and then cook it with the eggs. Had some of these green onions left, so I'm going to take and try to use a few of those. Got some butter in there right now, melting good. So we'll get this fried up and see what it looks like. So basically what you want is to get a lot of the stuff that'll basically fall off the chicken anyway. And I like taking in, can you hear, you don't want big pieces because you want your egg to go in and mix with it anyway. So got that set up. There's your naked chicken. So let's put the chicken seeds on it and see what it looks like. Alright, the chicken seeds have been deployed. I noticed I had the pan sitting off of the burner, so that's why it's not quite up to temperature like I thought it was. So we'll let it all catch up. I'm using the Marquette skillet that I restored. Been trying to find out about this company because it appears that they've went out of business. Yesterday I looked up the owner, and he has another group that he's in charge of. So I sent an email to both the support email at Marquette and the one to his new group, and well, the one from Marquette came back immediately, said it was shut down. So I'm guessing that they did shut down and they've moved on to different projects. Alright, so this should be what it looks like when you flip your egg. All the little cracklings and stuff and the onions have all, got into the egg itself while it's cooking. For this, I don't recommend, doing it totally over easy because, I don't know if you want the old yolk running around. But I usually take and make it over hard, or I sometimes scramble it. Alright guys, here she is. Everything's in the bowl. I took and just dropped the eggs on top. Just basically stir it up and you got your breakfast bowl and you're ready to tackle the day. Now, with the rolls in it, and biscuits would have been better, but they had rolls, that it's going to be a heavy breakfast. So either be ready to work it off or be ready to kind of be a little groggy. So y'all have a great day.